Greetings my friends, welcome back to another video. My name is MTrade and today we're going to have a completely different video than what you are used to seeing here. But this is all done to give you guys an understanding of how many options do you actually have and how you can have full control of your trading. Today we're going to be trading on MT5 on pocket option. MT5 is a multi-asset trading platform. It allows you to have way more control over your trades. You can place stop loss, you can place take profits, and much more. You have access to way more time frames. So this is what we're going to use today, and I'm going to show you how you can trade, how you can perform analysis, and how you can make money. So without further ado, let's jump into it. But also, if you want more content like this, then make sure to check out the link in the description below or send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro and I will be happy to see you there. All the content in there is completely for free. So now is your time, and now let's proceed and do some trades. Okay guys, here we are on pocket option. We're gonna be trading on Forex and we're gonna do as few trades, not gonna be going crazy. We're going to be trading on MT5, which is, as I mentioned, a multi-asset trading platform. So I'm going to show you how you can do it, how you can use it, and how you can control your trades. So let's start. Let's go to trading. We click Forex MT5 real account right here and press it. This is the window that's gonna pop up. Next step is we open the terminal. At the top left corner, we copy our password, save password, click off, and authorize. We're in, and here we are. Let's go to full screen, and we can start trading pretty much. Today we're going to be trading on OTC market. Why we're going to be trading OTC assets? Because I'm going to show you the difference between the actual euro pair and OTC assets. So let's go to United States dollar, plus specification, and look at this. We have a spread of 55. That is a bit too much for us. Now let's go to OTC. Let's click the same thing, specification, and spread is only 12 points is very good. So what this will do is this will allow us and increase us chances of making way more money. So that's what matters the most, and always look at that. So let's add a few trading assets. Let's add that. All right, this is 60 spread. Let's start with Euro United States dollar OTC. Let's open our first deal. Let's go to 5-minute time frame. We can see here a very obvious uptrend, and we can see a level as well right here. So this is our key support level, and this is what is very important for us. So let's mark it. We can count this as a zone of support, and as you can see, it's going all the way to that side. So, and now we can see that the price has arrived at the area of support. So let's go to 1-minute time frame, and we can see a sideways movement on 1-minute time frame, which is also finished. As you can see, we had a breakout and the price is now starting to reverse. So this is a good time to place our trade. As you can see, it's going all the way up after breaking out and going back in. This we also can see here a bullish engulfing pattern playing out. So this is actually perfect. So let's look at some indicators. Let's do RSI, and indicator, and as you can see right here, we see that this area we have the price going and the price of the asset going into oversold condition, which is also a pretty strong signal for us to place a buy position deal. So let's do exactly that. Let's go 5. We're gonna place our stop loss and take profit. So let's go ahead and look through this. All right, so as for our stop loss, we probably want to place it right outside of our area of support, because as you can see, the price repeatedly touched it a few times, so we can place it right outside of our support area. Let's increase our support level. We can actually put it even a bit lower, because as you can see, the price actually touched that already before, but it shouldn't be going there again. As for the target price or take profit, so let's do it a little bit lower to our previous liquidity sweep at the start of our liquidity sweep. So let's go ahead and open our deal. There it is. To show the deal on the chart, press trade positions right here and add stop loss and take profit levels. And this way we have the deal right here appearing on the chart. Let's go to a lower time frame so it's more interesting to watch the movement of our trade. And all we need to do is we need to wait for the price to hit our take profit. That's all we pretty much need. And now we're just gonna speed this process up, because I'm not going to wait. This might take some time, but let's observe this. And friends, as you can see, our first deal is successfully closed. We made it all the way to our take profit. We made $1.2 thousand right here. And now let's trade on the same trading asset. As you can see, Monday on OTC you can only have this asset, so that's what we're going to be trading on. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's hit something like 1 hour. And let's look at what's going on. Let's look at our indicator as well. Pay attention to RSI. As we can see, the RSI is right in the middle of the channel, so not oversold or overbought. So we probably shouldn't expect any of the pressure on the price in either directions. So we will be looking at a situation locally. We can see some divergence here happening. As you can see, we have descending trend line here appearing. But when it comes to RSI, we see that there's a more ascending movement. So that is a sign that the price is probably going to start dropping down. So that's what we are paying attention to. Let's add another indicator. Let's add parabolic SAR and indicator. And we can see that the parabolic SAR is printed below, which is a sign of an uptrend. But this sign of the divergence that you can see on RSI and on the chart itself, it's still for us a more bearish signal than it is a bullish signal. So we probably can expect the price to start dropping rapidly here. Also, we can see a pretty obvious trend line. Let's place it right here. So most likely after this candle is closed, we are going to see the next candle to be bearish. So this will be the end of our uptrend move here. Now, since we have a trend line here, so we can pretty much safely bet that the price will not update the previous high, because this is the whole idea of a downtrend of a price channel. We have our high and the price will most likely theoretically not renew this high, because this is the main idea, as I said. So we have a pretty strong magnet zone here which was a liquidity sweep. Most likely the price will hit this one, most likely, judging from the signal from parabolic SAR. However, I do expect that the price will hit this zone. We will have a fake breakout over a trend line, and after it went all the way into the magnet zone here that we have, it will reverse and be pushed back down. We can probably place a sell position trade with a stop loss above our area. So let's see how the market behaves here. We can already see on the shorter time frame on RSI, we're starting to move downwards out of overbought area, which indicates a certain weakness right here. So as you can see, we're right at the trend line. Even on 1 minute time frame, parabolic SAR is still showing us an upwards signal, because as you can see, it's still printed below the price. Let's wait for the price to play out, and after that we will place our trade. All right, let's open our deal now. The price has reached the trend line, and we are also approaching the magnet zone that we have marked up here. So I'm most likely expecting a reversal here. As you can see, RSI is also peaking into the overbought condition. So as simple as that, this is our sign to place a sell trade. Let's place 10 lots here. Stop loss, take profit. Stop loss is going to be above, take profit below. Let's place it right here, and take profit we're gonna place at the support level. Let's open short position. Just as the price entered our magnet zone here, and also establishing itself as a fake breakout after breaking through trend line. Let's open the history. We see that our deal is already in, and now let's observe. That's all we need to do. We can even place stop loss a little bit lower and raise our take profit a little bit higher. Modify, okay. And on the 1 minute time frame, we can observe this pretty easily. RSI is already trying to move out of the overbought zone, so everything seems to be playing out exactly as we want it to. Let's observe. My friends, so we can see that our deal is working out pretty well. The price has already the mark at 50% of our take profit, so we are basically made halfway through. What we can do now, we are going to move our stop loss. So let's drag it down now to our entry point. So even if the deal is not in our favor, that is exactly why once the price reaches halfway through, I'm moving my stop loss down to my entry point. So that is a nice trick that you can use to increase your profit. And now let's proceed watching. All right, friends, the price is starting to rapidly approach our take profit. So I think we should modify our stop loss and place it to the middle of our entire move. So this way we can secure our trade even more and also increase our profit drastically. So let's wait for this deal to close. All right, friends, so the price has reached the stop loss here, and we made another $1,200. As you can see, everything was done automatically. We didn't have to do anything. We just observed it, the full cycle of the deal, how we opened it, how the price changed, how we adjusted our settings, how we modified our stop loss. The last deal, unfortunately, we had to close in minus. The price came to this area of interest right here. Most likely the price wouldn't go lower than this zone of interest. Most likely it would go all the way up. So to reduce our risk, that is exactly why we moved our stop loss. Overall, the trading session was good. I think we made around $2,500 of these two deals that we made. Our balance currently is looking pretty sharp, $103,000. So as you can see, our second trade was much more risk-free. We didn't risk as much because we moved our stop loss lower in case we would see a price starting to reverse, and we could see that it's already not going to go past the zone of interest that was there. So that made sure that we are not losing more money, and that made us quite a bit of money. So still the risks were much lower with that, and we still made $1,200 off of this trade. So that's what matters. So don't forget to move your stop loss when your price have gone 50% off its entire move, and also make sure to move the stop loss even further once the price makes another 25% or so. So appreciate you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe for more, leave a like, and also don't forget to send me a message on Telegram at mtrade_pro to join for more content. I appreciate you for watching, and of course I will catch you in the next one.